How to sync profile pictures on Facebook and Instagram. Now, the very first thing we're going to do if we want to sync or combine the profile pictures of our Facebook account or Instagram account is to tap on these three lines on the upper corner right here. After that, we just have to tap on the settings icon right here and go to Meta. We just have to tap on Account Center and click on the profiles on the upper part. Let's say this one. Now we just have to tap on our Facebook account that we have right now. Let's say this one. And click on Facebook on the bottom part right here. After that, we just have to toggle on this sync profile info and sync our account with another Instagram account. Let's say this one right here. After that, we just have to hit continue and select sync profile info right here. This way, both the Facebook account and Instagram account is combined to one another and sync to one another. Therefore, the profile pictures will also be the same on both accounts. So that's how to sync profile pictures on Facebook and Instagram. Hope you helped.